Alright, bosses, welcome to this next lesson kung saan pag-uusapan naman natin the rules, the principles, and the laws of productivity. Kung saan magsisimula tayo kay Pareto Principles na pinasikat ni Vilfredo Pareto noong 1896, kung saan sinasabi niya na 80% ng ating result na nakukuha ay galing lang sa 20% ng effort na ginagawa natin. So, ang sarap isipin nun, di ba? Na kung saan 80% ng productivity natin ay nanggagaling lang sa 20% ng effort na nilalaan natin sa mga tasks and projects na ginagawa natin. Na-discover niya ito back in Italy noong mga panahon na 80% ng mga lupain ay pagmamayari ng 20% ng mga Italians. So for example, in this lesson, malamang 20% lang ng principles nito ang tatatak at magre-register sa utak mo na matatandaan mo. But if you will do the right thing, that will give you 80% of the most result na makukuha mo from the core lessons na natutunan mo dito. Kailangan mo lang talagang malaman kung ano yung goal mo and the 20% effort na dapat mong gawin to get things done. So, let's say, bibigyan kita ng example. Dati, gusto ko matutong mag-gitara at ang pinaka-goal ko lang talaga is matuto lang mag-strum at matutunan yung mga basic key chords na dapat ko lang matutunan. Kasi ang goal ko lang naman is malaman kung paano mag-sing along by strumming and matutunan lang yung mga basic chords. So the goal is very simple. Just learn the basic and the 20% effort coming from it. There are so many advanced ways para matutunan mo kung paano mag-play ng guitar, tama ba? Pero kung beginner ka, what gives you most pleasure is to be able to do the basic strummings muna. So, hindi mo kailangan ng 80% effort para makuha yon. The key here is you need to focus 20% of your effort with your limited time that will give you the best result. In our case, as digital marketers and solopreneurs, ang dami talagang mga rabbit holes, di ba, when it comes to growing our business online, getting more sales, and be more productive. One good example na natutunan ko kay Tillman Fertitta, who's actually a $5 billion man. Ang sabi niya, we entrepreneurs, kailangan nating ma-distinguish kung ano yung 95% of our skills na magaling na tayo. At hindi na natin masyadong kailangan ng stretch zone, no? Pero merong aspeto ng business natin na 5% hindi tayo ganong kagalingan. So in my case, alam ko na yung mga strength ko ay yung pag-create ng courses, content creation, social media marketing, etc. Pero yung weakness ko talaga is actually advertising, no? Maraming times na nag-fail ako, nag-struggle, umiyak, no? So I know my 95% strength and my 5% weakness. At dahil alam ko na 5% lang siya, ibig sabihin, even if I'm going to spend 20% of my effort to learn that, I know that is going to complete the 100% totality of being productive. Kasi nag-iisa lang siya, no? Let's say, 20% of my effort learning Facebook ads will actually produce me 80% result by getting more clients, more eyeballs, and more customers in my business. Ganun din sa'yo, no? You need to know your weakness and then allocate 20% of your effort with that in order for you to gain more productivity dahil sabi nga sa Pareto Principle, kahit 20% lang ang ilaan natin, doing that specific task, karamihan ng mga result na manggagaling dito, which is up to 80% of it will only come from 20% of our effort. And the good thing is that we can use it in almost everything that we do in our life. 20% input results to 80% of the outcome that we are getting. Kadalasan naiisip ko na itong Pareto Principle is related siya sa law of leverage. You know how to use other people's time, other people's effort, other people's money. Kaya naman, gusto kong ipakita sa iyo isa sa mga viral content lesson namin sa Ninja Pro program wherein we discuss about the square chart of an entrepreneur. So I'm super excited for you to watch that in the next video.